Hello, my name is Minister Kacy Harvey of Sounds of Praise. We are here in Tyler, Texas right now. Listen, I just want to invite you guys to get our new CD that's going to be coming out in March 2012. It's going to be an awesome CD. It's going to have a little bit of rap, gospel rap. It's going to have a little old school and new school. Listen, we've been doing this thing for over 11 years. I've been in this music ministry for 34 years. I'm only 36, and God has been opening up doors for us to travel near and far. We have had the opportunity to open up for many artists, from Yolanda Adams to Marvin Sapp to Fred Hammond. God has just been blessing us. Listen, if you need to contact me, if you want our group to come to you, we will come and minister and just praise the Lord with you. You can contact myself, Minister Kacy Harvey, at 903-748-9373, or Minister Todd Watson at 244-8923. And that's,
let's get that number one more time.
That is 903-244-8923, and that's Minister Todd Watson number. We will gladly come to you. Again, my name is Minister Kacy Harvey of Sounds of Praise.